Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make a dangle chain layered necklace. So the gemstone that I'm choosing to use today is rainbow tourmaline, and I think it's really pretty. These are all attached to the chain, and it's different colors. So we have these in meter lengths. So I've taken 1 meter and I cut one length 18 inches, and then I used what was left, which I believe was about 21 inches, something around there. So the first thing that I'm going to want to do is attach my clasp. So I'm going to find where the jump ring opens, and I'm going to put my pliers on one side of that, and then I'm going to take my other pliers and I'm just going to gently twist that open. And then I'm going to attach the chain and the other chain straight onto my jump ring, and then I'm going to go back with my pliers and I'm going to gently close the jump ring. And then for the other side, I'm just going to use a simple jump ring. So I'm going to take this 4mm jump ring and I'm going to find where it opens. My pliers there, and I'm going to twist that open. And then I'm going to put the chain on there, the end of the other chain. And then the jump ring. And then I'm going to take my pair of pliers, put it right in the jump ring, and close that. And that's all you have to do to make a layered dangle chain necklace. Super easy, and it's very elegant looking. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.